To apply for leave, we'll start right from the Leave dashboard. Head over to the top right corner where you'll see the Actions button. Go ahead and click on Actions to open up the drop-down menu. From the options that appear, select Apply Leave to begin your request. The Apply Leave form is now open. Let's move on to the next step, which is choosing leave type and dates. Once the Apply for Leave window pops up, open the Select Leave Type drop-down to see your available options. Pick the leave type that fits your situation, in this case, casual leave. Next, open the leave period date picker to choose when you'll be away. Go ahead and select the date you want to take off from the calendar. Confirm your selection by hitting the Apply button on the calendar. The leave type and dates have been set. Let's move on to selecting the reason and adding documents, where you can specify why you're taking leave and attach any supporting files if needed. To provide context for your time off, open the Select Reason drop-down and pick the option that matches your situation. If your leave requires proof, like a medical certificate, you can attach files under Supporting Documents. Right next to it, the Select Notifier field lets you loop in colleagues who should know you'll be away. We've added the reason and any supporting documents to the request. Let's move on to notifying a colleague, where we'll search and select employees to keep informed about your leave. To notify a colleague about your absence, click the search icon in the Select Notifier field to open the search window. In the search bar, type in the name of the colleague you want to notify. Pick the right person from the search results that appear. Confirm your choice by hitting the Select button. The colleague has been notified. Let's go to the next step, which is submitting and confirming the leave. To wrap things up, hit the Submit button to send your leave application through for approval. And there it is. A success notification pops up, confirming your leave has been submitted.